Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how can we remove the radio or the stereo from the dashboard of Toyota Camry. Let's get started. First, we will remove this lower panel. To remove this, we need to grab it and pull it backward. As we can see, it is held by some clips. Pulling it backward should be enough to get it out. Next, we will pull out this right side panel. Same thing, get a good grasp and try to pull a little backward, and it will also pop out. It is also held by clips. There are no screws involved. Next, we will open this right side panel again. It's a long panel attached with the AC vents. So gently start from the lower side and it will just come out. Also held by a lot of clips. Next, we will remove this AC control unit. It also comes out just by pulling backward. It is easy to remove as well. Next, we will remove this small panel where usually the push start button is kept. It is easy to remove as well. It's held by a couple of clips again. Now we have exposed 4 10mm bolts. I already have loosened them, so let's take them out. And finally, we are ready to pull the radio out. Be careful, it has a long arm on the right side. Make sure you have something, a cloth or a blanket underneath, so that you won't scratch your car. Now we will take the harnesses out. We will take one by one. There are 4 attached in my Camry. It may be different on yours. We'll start from this one. It has a little lip there. So we'll push that down and try to pull the wire off. I'm doing with this with my one hand because I'm holding my camera with the other one, so it's a little difficult. And same thing for this gray harness. It also has the lip that we can just push that down and pull the wire off. Same thing for the other one. Push the lip and pull the harness off. And same thing for this little gray one. Just push the lip down and pull it off. Okay, now lastly we need to take one harness off, that is from the right side. Same way, push the lip down and pull the harness off. Now we have successfully taken our radio out. And based upon your requirement, if you want to remove this part out, then just follow along. To remove this one, put your fingers underneath and pull these lips and push from the bottom at the same time. There are 3 lips, 2 on this side and 1 on the other side. And again from this side also pushing from the fingers upward and pulling the lips, and it's that easy. Thanks for watching.